Welcome. I am Idora Sage, and this is Greenhouse Shadow Work. The beauty about life is that there are more than one way to arrive at the same conclusion. Often, perspective divides us. Our minds tricks us into feeling that we don't yearn for the same needs as human beings. Henry Miller, novelist, wrote, "One destination is never a place, but always a new way of seeing things." As we embrace our own life's journey, we must acknowledge the nuances, as there is no definite roadmap for oneself, nor is there for our brothers and sisters on our collective journey. Show yourself love by preparing something in a different way. Creativity is love. Selah.